Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna learn the ink smudge effect in Photoshop. Create a duplicate of the image by pressing Ctrl-J. Rename the duplicated layer Dry. Go to Filter. Filter Gallery, choose Artistic and follow the settings. Image link and ink smudge JPG are in the description. Create a solid white color layer and disable it for now. Create group on the top and create layer mask. Go to blending mode and choose Multiply. Select the dry layer and press Ctrl-A to select the image and press Ctrl-C to copy. Now press Alt and left-click on Group Layer, mask icon, and paste the copied image on it. While selecting the group layer, go to Image Adjustment and Levels and follow the settings. Press Ctrl-D to deselect the selection and reverse the mask by pressing Ctrl-I. Now enable the solid color layer and select the group layer and bring the ink smudge JPG. Bring the second ink smudge JPG image. Select the dry layer and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl-J and bring it on the top. Go to the layer mask icon and click on it. Now, reverse the mask by pressing Ctrl-I. Go to the ink smudge JPG and now go to Edit. Define brush preset and name your new brush here. Now your brush is ready. Go back to main canvas. Opacity of brush will be around 50 to 40 while selecting the top layer paint like this. Now your ink smudge effect is ready. Thanks for watching. See you next time.